Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing assets and setting the project to 30 FPS and 1080p so edits remain consistent across platforms. Once done, scrub footage and mark in and out points on 3/5 key clips. This saves time later. You should sync voiceover to a rough cut first because audio drives add pacing. Make sure to organize tracks, video, audio, and graphics so you can edit non-destructively. This first pass focuses on structure, not polish, and establishes the ad's narrative rhythm. Once the rough assembly is ready, tighten timing to keep viewer attention. Aim for 1.5 3-second beats and use J and L cuts to smooth transitions between shots. You add B-roll to cover jumps and employ motion crop or scale so the subject stays in frame on different platforms. Make primary color corrections to match clips because consistent tones maintain brand trust. Also, adjust audio levels and duck music under voiceover so messaging remains clear and compelling throughout the ad. You finish by adding branding, lower thirds, logo reveal, and a clear call to action. Make sure text is legible on small screens. Once visuals and audio are polished, export using H.264 at 612 Mbps for 1080p and test the file on target devices to confirm playback. If problems arise, troubleshoot by checking color space settings, audio sample rate, and codec mismatches, because export presets often cause issues. Finally, iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.